I speak to you today on behalf of Gwlad, the Welsh Independence Party. My name is Karl-James Langford and I stand to represent the Vale of Glamorgan constituency on the 6th of May 2021. I also stand on the South Wales Central regional list alongside three other very vibrant Gwlad candidates throughout the region. One thing that is at my very heart and being, my everyday waking moment, my work, everything that I strive to protect is our heritage. Our heritage has been seen to be abandoned by the politicians of Cymru, Wales. We rely upon the protection of our heritage into the hands of Cadw, which is no longer fit for purpose and should be struck off from being the carers of our heritage. We should have a new heritage organisation. What we do see across Wales is our prehistoric, our Roman and medieval heritage being bulldozed with very little protection. If it's a Norman castle, it's usually saved, but it's anything to do with the heritage of Cymru, Wales, it's not saved. Too often do we hear of our heritage being destroyed and no record being made of it. Too often do we hear at schools our history, our very heritage, our very identity is not given to our children by the teachers throughout Cymru, Wales. Heritage is very important. It is who we are. But if you abandon that heritage, our identity goes. And when our identity goes, we don't know who we are anymore. Our children, when they go to school, particularly in those great valleys of the Rhondda, are no longer taught about the mining industry. Too often do I hear that our children know nothing of the mining industry that was vibrant and great in Wales 40 years ago. All we do push our attentions into is building more homes. There are 10,000 empty properties in the South Wales valleys. 10,000. And we're destroying our heritage in the likes of the Vale of Glamorgan and Cardiff when we've got housing for people to live in. Does heritage come before hospitals? Does heritage come before schools? Well, for me, yes it does. Because that heritage is who we are. And without who we are, we have no hospitals. We have no Cymru, Wales. I'm an alternative candidate. Please vote for Gwlad on the 6th of May 2021. Thank you very, very much.